Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. Today I have my July Birchbox unboxing. Yay! It's such a pretty box. With all the citrus all over it, it is so pretty and definitely summery. They went away from that nice drawer one that we had last month that we all wondered if that was the new box. Apparently, they've gone back to the original box. I haven't looked in here yet, but I did take it out of the big box that it comes in, so you guys did not have to see me wrestle and almost lose to that box. But now we have this nice pretty box, and we can just take the lid off. This is what we have inside. It says love you, so I would say that is the theme for the month. And on the back we have everything that's inside. In case you don't know, Birchbox is a $15 per month subscription now, unless you do a 6-month subscription, and then I think it goes to $14, and then if you subscribe for a year it goes to $13. Another thing they've changed is which box you receive. It can be a complete surprise, and you can pick one of the products that's going to be in it and have the rest be a surprise. Or this month they offered 4 curated boxes. I don't know if they're going to have 4 every month, but that's what they had this month. And I did pick a curated box because there was a couple things in it that my mom was kind of interested in, which was great because I have so many of the Birchbox products. But like I always say, the beauty is I don't remember what's in here, so let's find out. It's a pretty yellow paper for July. I just love everything is so summery this month. And we have a Birchbox just for subscribers, 20% off discovery kits and limited edition boxes. I think about doing these periodically. I should go on and check them out. Okay, let's see what we've got. For starters, I see right on top, and I know my mom did not select these because she has a nice short pixie style cut. Invisibobbles. This month we have pretty pink ones. I don't use these because I know they say they won't tangle in your hair, but my hair is so fine that I find that once I've pulled it through as many times as I have to get it to stay, it will indeed tangle. Challenge accepted. Let's see what the pamphlet says about the Invisibobbles. Okay, it says that the Invisibobble is new to Birchbox, and it's Pinking of You, full size, $9, and there are 3 in here. The Stronghold hair ties keep your pony in place without snagging. Their smooth spiral design allows for even pressure so they won't crease your hair. Okay, next we have the number 4 Super Comb Prep and Protect Spray. That's what that looks like. I think I've had this before, and as I recall, these smell so, let's see, these smell so good. It does. It is the prettiest smell. It's worth using just to scent your hair with this for the day. It is gorgeous. Right now I'm using a dry bar prep. I just don't love, I know they're super popular. I don't love the smell of all the dry bar stuff. Anyway, back to this. The best seller, number 4, Super Comb Prep and Protect. The full size is $32. Shield your hair from heat with this leave-in conditioning and detangling mist made with hydrators like blackcurrant and soy yogurt. Spritz onto hair and comb through before blow drying or air drying. That is interesting to know that you can do it when you air dry also. Let's see what's next. Speaking of air drying, it's the Bumble and Bumble Don't Blow It. I have actually had the full-size one of these that I passed on to my dad to use in his hair. It is the Bumble and Bumble Don't Blow It Fine Hair Styler, and they've put the H in hair, so it's like air styler, for fine to medium soft hair. This also smells fantastic, and it's just a lightweight cream. It's just a light white cream. It smells so good, and you just, like I said, I had the full size, so I remember you just do it in your hands and run it through your dry hair, and it just helps it not be frizzy if you're going to let it air dry. I don't often let my hair air dry. This says that the full size is $31. True story. This game-changing air dry cream features plant-based conditioners to enhance volume and UVA and UVB filters to protect against harmful rays. Work evenly into damp hair and let air dry. Next, we have the Coola Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. I am telling you, I can't even see that there's any in here. Oh, it's sealed, so I can't look, but if there is some in here, ta-da! If there is some in here, there's about this much. It's crazy. I mean, it's lightweight. It feels like there's absolutely nothing in it. I like a lot of the Coola products. Let's see what they say this one is. The Dawn Patrol Classic Primer SPF 30, the full size is $42. This primer meets sunscreen hybrid, preps skin for makeup, and protects you from harmful UV rays. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Wear alone or follow with makeup. I'm telling you, this is one use if you have to apply it liberally, at best. Okay, and next we have, oh, I have had one of these, and I've also given my mom one. It is the Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm, and this is what it looks like. And it's just literally a lip balm, but it's one of the ones that comes clear. It's just a clear lip balm. And when you put it on, it changes to a nice flushed pink color. It's just a really natural lip look. I like it a lot. I use it like crazy in the winter. Last but not least, we have the Clarins Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. And it's in a nice little plastic container. And I'm going to keep it in that in case by chance it finds itself in a giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, don't forget, if you haven't seen my giveaway and already entered, be sure and go look at that and enter. And then there are several videos where I tell you extra ways to get extra entries. The Clarins says it's also new to Birchbox, and it's the Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. The full size is $28, so that's right on the edge of a pricey mascara. Lengthen, curl, and define, and volumize with this carbon black mascara that promotes thicker, longer lashes. You know, Birchbox just rides that fence. It's the whole, do you keep it? I had canceled it and then I signed back up, and because of that I fell into the $15 instead of the $13 that I was grandfathered under. But I had a really great box last month, but this month, I have to be honest, there is not $15 worth of value in this to me. There are the Invisibobbles, and it's 3, so it's a full size, and that's $9. Oh, and the Aero Boost, did I tell you how much that was? Is a $15 lip balm. So if you like this, which I do, and you believe its value to be $15, which I do not, because it's just, like I said, it's a full-size balm that gives you a nice flush and changes colors, but $15 is pretty pricey for that. This little prep for blow drying, the little, go ahead, don't blow dry your hair, prep. This tiny little Coola sample, I mean, that I kid you not, I can't see anything in. You know what? It's just for my mom. We're going to take this off and see if there is anything in it. It truly feels like there is absolutely nothing in this. Well, there is. There's that tiny little bit, and I suspect that's all there was. Sorry, Mom. Try and put that back in there. We'll circle back to that. And this little Clarins. To me, that's not a $15 value, especially when we know what we get for another $15 value out of Allure and $21 out of Boxycharm. I hate complaining about these boxes. It sounds so ungracious. This is just not my favorite month. That's all. It's a nice box. It's just not my favorite month. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out. Oh, and you know what I will do? I'll tell you what I will do. I will add these Invisibobbles to my giveaway so that if you have better luck than I do with them, you can enjoy them. So, somewhere below, say something about the Invisibobble and I'll give you an extra entry. All right. I love it when a plan comes together. I will see you guys really soon. Have a great day.